Welcome to another video from Sausagefingers. I want to show you today the biggest problem people have growing tomatoes is the plants turn very tall and spindly. I think they call it leggy, where they go very, very tall, something like that, and then they're falling over and they're a weak plant, and they're a weak plant. So I want to try and show you the best way to stop it. Even if they go leggy, like I've let these go leggy on purpose just to show you them on the video. It doesn't matter, there's a way around it. Now if you look at a tomato plant, the roots obviously are down here. Now all this part here up to the bottom of the leaves, it looks like fine hairs, but they're actually potentially roots. So the best way to make it into a strong sturdy plant, just hold the leaves, don't hold it by the stem. Get the compost and go pretty deep, as deep as you can up to those seed leaves. Now people will think, oh god, that's too deep, you're covering the stem. But what that'll do, it makes where the hairs are there turn to roots, and it'll make roots come out and make it into a stronger, healthier plant. Now it's no use planting that from that state into a pot the same, because it'll just go leggier and leggier. But now this one, now being buried deep, will send roots out where the hairs are on the stem and turn it into a big, strong, healthy plant. Hope this has helped. Thanks for watching.